Hello first grade, Mr. Mush here. So this week for our project we learned about form and pointillism, all right, with the artist Seurat. You watched the video about Seurat, and so I'm going to show you how to draw things with form. So remember, things with form have 3 dimensions, right? They have a height, a width, and a depth. So I'm going to show you how to draw buildings that have forms, okay? So normally you might draw buildings like a square with a triangle on top, like a house. So I'm going to show you how to draw buildings with form, and then we're going to color in our pictures by using pointillism with our dots. All right. So first things first, we're going to write our name in the corner, Mr. Mush. Make sure your paper is hamburger style, just like mine. Okay, and then I'm going to draw a line across the bottom like that, and then I'm going to draw a square and a triangle for a house. Okay, so right now it doesn't have any form, it's just shapes, but we're going to give it form. So I'm going to draw a line going like that and a line going down like that. Okay, now it's starting to have form, and then I'm going to draw another line like this, and then another line like that. And now you can see 2 sides of the house, right? So I'm going to add the details. I'm going to add the door. I'm going to add the window, or I should say windows. And because it has forms, I can have windows on the other side, right? Pretty cool. Okay, you can use this also to do big skyscrapers. So I'm going to draw a big rectangle, and I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to draw a line, and I'm going to go down. Okay, and then I'm going to draw another rectangle like that, line, go all the way down. Okay, and then I can add windows like that. Now, I'm just drawing an example. I don't want your drawing to look exactly like mine. I want you to use this technique on form to make your own picture. So, for example, you might want to put a tree house. So, I'm going to put a tree behind this house. I'm going to make it puffy, and I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to draw a square, rectangle, triangle, and then line like that, and then I got a tree house. Maybe I want a diving board, maybe I want the rope for my ladder, a rope ladder like that. Okay, but it has form. I want to see 5 different things with form. Okay, maybe you want to make it like a little dog house. It's up to you. So I want to draw a path for my house, okay? And I can add other things that I want, like maybe I want Spider-Man swinging by, like that. Okay. It's up to you what you want to put in your picture, okay? Then what you need to do is you need to color it in, but we're not coloring it in like this, like coloring it in like we normally do. We're going to be like Seurat and use dots like this. Now notice I'm not smashing my crayon into the paper. I'm lightly tapping. Just like that. I'm not going crazy with it. Okay, I'm going to use my black for my roof, but we're not coloring like we would normally color. We're tapping our crayon to get the dots. Okay, and then I'm going to do my grass, and notice how I'm making sure it fills up my space. All right. Now, you can do the sky if you want. You don't have to, because it's a really big space. So you don't have to do the sky with the dots, but if you choose to, make sure you do your whole sky. Okay. Like this. Okay, so if I do my sky, I'm gonna fill it all in. I'm not just gonna do up here, I'm gonna do my whole sky. Okay, I'm gonna do the tree now. Okay, gonna do my trunk. I'm gonna make my house like a reddish orange. And remember, you're using dots just like me. Okay. And then I'm gonna do 2 colors for my skyscrapers to show I have 2 sides. I'm gonna do like this reddish purple on the one side. And then I'll do, I don't know, an orange on the other. Just like that. See that? And I'm going to do it again over here. But I really want you to make sure you fill up with lots and lots of dots. Take your time. Don't rush. Okay, I'm going to do the same thing. Just like that. And I'm even going to put a little bit of yellow in the windows to show that the lights are on. Pretty simple stuff, right? So, with that being said, oh, I almost forgot my doghouse down here. I want to see at least 3 to 5 things that have form in your picture, and you use dots to fill it up. So that's going to be our project for this week, first grade. Hope you have fun with it, and until next time, take care.